All right, guys, we got your 2012 Ford Mustang GT500 Supercharged. Got the 5.4 in it. It's got long tube headers there and there. High flow cats there and there. So you guys know it's gonna sound phenomenal. And then it's got X-pipe there. It's a full CORSA system. All the way back 3-inch. There's a CORSA Extremes there and there. And then it had the single tips, and he didn't like them because he changed the back bumper on it and he put the quad. So he brought the quad CORSA tips and we put them in for him, as you guys can see there and right there. There's the CORSA singles that were on it that we took off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Again. God. That's with mufflers on it. Imagine if it didn't have mufflers, guys. Again. Alright, got it. That's enough. Bang it out. Put the reset on it. Look at that. Again. That's so mean, man. I love it. Let me let you guys hear on the inside. Shelby GT500 Ford Mustang. Listen to this beast. Beautiful car. It broke the decibel meters, guys. What does that tell you? Cobra mode. Oh my